You like a
So if you want to do a collage on Instagram stories, you have to install a keyboard known as Gbox keyboard. So it's available on Play Store. So let's go to Play Store and type on Gbox. So this is the Gbox app. Click on it and install. I've already installed on my phone, so I'm going to open it. And you have to sign in with your Instagram account and click on login. And you will be led to this page. You have to click on Gbox keyboard and click on next. Enable settings. You have to enable this Gbox keyboard and go back. Click on select input method. Click on Gbox, this one, and done. Now let's see how this works. Now let me open Instagram and click on new stories, add a new story, and click on photo, doesn't matter, and click on this second icon, paint brush icon, and choose a color and hold on. Let me choose black. That's good, that's going to be better. And click on done, and then tap anywhere on the screen. Just click on allow. And tap anywhere on the screen. And you can see image icon here. Click on it. Let me choose. And here you can add new photo here. And tap anywhere again once more and click on the image. And here, see, you can add multiple photos. Again on the image, download, and see, you can add multiple images, and you can add it to your story too. So thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can view such videos, such awesome contents, and I will see you in the next video.